Hey there, taking a quick look at these Rhino USA 2-inch by 43-inch transom straps. These are going to be great for a boat trailer, utility trailers, etc. They're designed to be bolted down, as you see this hole back here, and then they provide you a couple of M10 by 1.5 thread bolts to go through this. So they look really nice and they function really well. Got 43 inches, easy to pull out. You click the button right here. That's going to engage it. It's got a nice pull back. One thing you may or may not like is the hook style on this. It's not a super wide throat, so it may struggle if you're trying to hook something that's a little bit of a wider tube or something like that. You might struggle with that. I do like the clip mechanism that they put on here. We've all strapped stuff up and you hook it and then the strap falls off. This is going to help with that so that your strap stays where you put it. I own a lot of Rhino products and the fit and finish is excellent on all of their products. So to mount this, you just pop the handle up, take their bolt and put it right through the hole, bolt it down, and it'll stay in place really well. I do know with these, I've used retractable straps for a long time, and a lot of them do not handle water very well. If you read the reviews on these straps, they hold up really well on boats. That's something that I wanted to see as I'm going to put these on a utility trailer, which will get rain at times. They're a great product. The plastic that is covering the metal is going to protect your boat, trailer, whatever you're using it for. The hook has got a nice coating of plastic on it. It's going to protect the eyelets that you hook it onto, and just all around nice product. I think you'll be really happy with it if you purchase these. Got these 4-foot straps installed up here on the front just to be able to hook onto my lawnmower whenever I haul it. That'll be really handy. Very strong springs on these. They just work really well. Mount up nice and solid. You can really wrench down on them and they're not moving. So excellent product.